Hi, I'm Yamac.
And I'm Sue, and together we are the RV Exec Chef.
35 years executive chef experience.
And we are going to bring you thousands and thousands of recipes for your RV, coming your way. In today's episode, we are making the fainted priest. Now, to find out exactly what the fainted priest is, keep watching and we are going to explain to you what it is and how it got its name.
What is the fainted priest? Watch me. I have a bucket here full of water and I will put 1 tablespoon salt inside. Why a lot of people doesn't like eggplants bitterness. Before you put in the water, peel it couple different places very thinly. You don't need to go so deep. So gently take the skin out like this. Did you see?
So you just
stripe it.
Stripes in it, yeah?
Yeah. Like this, and
then put it in the water.
Put in the water 10 minutes. Take a 1/4 cup olive oil, put inside the pan. Now I will saute onion 5 minutes because onion takes a little bit longer to cook. Mix it very nicely. All the olive oil combines the onion. Cover it 5 minutes. Now I'm going this side. I will dry the eggplant with paper towel.
And the reason why you dry the eggplant with the paper towel is you don't want the water going into the pan because it will splash, so you don't want to burn yourself.
Like this, very nicely. Don't leave any wet spots.
To dry it off thoroughly.
Yeah, just put on the sides right now. After 5 minutes, add the pepper. Yeah, it smells already.
It smells good.
Very good. Let it saute 3 more minutes.
Just 3 minutes?
Yeah.
I never used to like eggplant at all. I didn't like the look of it. I didn't like the texture of it. It was one of those vegetables that I just I'm not interested in at all. But once I met Yamac and he cooked the eggplants his way, and he does them in all different styles and all different recipes he's got for eggplant, and I really like it now. So if you don't like eggplant and you've never even thought about tasting it, give it a try. Just try it out. It's really nice.
Next, you need to add tomatoes,
Yummy.
crushed garlic, a little bit parsley on top. Not all of them.
Oh, it looks so nice already.
Salt and pepper.
Pepper.
Mix it nicely. We are waiting until tomatoes get a little bit softer.
And the rest of the vegetables, they should be like al dente.
Yeah, al dente.
Al dente, because
Yeah.
as you move further into the recipe, all the veg will go inside the vegetables, stuff in the vegetables, and then they will cook even more.
Yeah, saute another 5 or 6 minutes. Our stuffing part will be ready. After 5 minutes, tomatoes are cooked. I want my vegetables a little bit more juicy. I will add water.
How much water?
Half a cup water, and now 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Here, mix the tomato paste very nicely. Paste mixes in the water. We don't want any tomato paste clumps, and mix it.
Smells lovely.
Okay,
and this dish is mainly served cold across the Mediterranean, but you can have it hot, and it's good as either a side dish or a starter dish.
now my stuffing is ready. I'm dumping inside another pan, bowl, whatever you have. Okay, and we will clean the pan and wipe nicely. I'm using copper pan, that's so easy.
It's so easy to use.
So
isn't
easy
it?
to use. Look how clean it is. Just
Yeah.
I wiped it. I can use right now.
More olive oil.
Half a cup, not a quarter, half a cup
Lots of olive oil.
olive oil, because I will fry the eggplant. All outside needs to be golden brown.
So you need to make sure you cover and fry the whole of the eggplant. Just keep turning.
Make sure oil is hot. Then put the eggplant inside the pan. See, doesn't splash because we dry very nicely all those eggplant.
Yeah.
Otherwise, woo,
Yeah, if
splashes
you left
everywhere.
any water on the eggplants after soaking them, they would probably be splashing by now. So make sure you dry the eggplant off really nicely after soaking. Today, I'm going to give a shout out to a channel called Blue Wave. That's Blue Wave. Check it out. It's really good. And once or twice a week, I'm not sure, you need to go and check his channel out and find out. He does live shows, and the live shows are so entertaining. And a lot of the other RV channels come on board and they all have a chat. And he's going to dye his hair blue for a very good reason.
Also, I will paint my sides.
Are you?
Blue, yeah, but I don't have anything on the top.
He's going to paint his hair blue, the little bit that he does have. Or he might just paint the whole lot blue. But check out his channel, it's very good. And go to the live shows.
Now, eggplant is ready. I am taking out eggplants. We don't want very soft. I'm putting on the paper towel. Because why? Paper towel sucks olive oil from the eggplant. Eggplant pulls all the olive oil in it. We don't want that much oil.
So make sure it's all golden brown on the outside. And if you're looking for a good drink, a little tipple to have with this side dish, meal, whatever you want to have it as, try a bit of raki or ouzo, and you mix the raki or ouzo with water. So half raki, half water, and it turns out like milk. And they call it lion's milk. Lion's milk. And the reason it's called lion's milk is
because you feel like a lion.
you feel like a lion.
Yeah.
So there you go.
But don't forget to put ice cubes inside.
Put ice in it as well. So there you go.
Yeah. Now dump all the extra oil in the cup and turn off your heat. And I need to get more towel.
Just dab it, yeah?
Yeah, dab it on top.
Don't squash it. Dab it.
Don't give pressure, you know. We don't want the eggplant gets broken. Now I'm taking eggplants back inside the pan one by one, and take one small knife and go from the middle and gently cut. You don't want to cut all the way down. Slice it.
So just slice it open in the middle and open it.
Yeah.
Now I think looking at this video, it looks like we've got two orbs behind us. But what's happened is it's turned nighttime. We left it a bit late for doing this video, so it's dark now. So we put two lights up, so it looks like we've got two orbs behind us, doesn't it?
It's nice.
Yeah. No.
Then take the stuffing mix.
Ooh, let me move the knife. And guess what?
What?
You haven't dropped anything.
No, not today.
He hasn't dropped anything.
So far.
So far, so good.
And mix your mixture a little bit. And take it and
Stuff it.
put inside the eggplant nicely.
It's one of those recipes that if you saw listed as how to make just in a book, it sounds difficult, or I would think it sounded difficult and I couldn't be bothered to do it. But when you watch it being done, it's so easy.
Easy.
And wow. So they're all stuffed now. And how many's in there? 5?
5, yes.
5. There's 5 eggplants in there.
Just take, if there's any extra, you can crack an egg tomorrow and make
You
it.
always say that if there's
Yeah.
any left, and there never is any left. There's not going to be any left.
No, stuffing.
Oh, the stuffing,
Stuffing,
left.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. Keep the stuff.
And
But
turns
that
out
might-
like a mini-man, you know.
like
We
Miniman,
showed,
yeah. We showed the video on Miniman.
Miniman.
So if you haven't seen that video, check that one out. That's a really nice breakfast.
Take the excess of juice,
And just add it on.
add it on. Yeah. Now we will cook right now until all the juice vaporize. You know, takes 15 minutes, might be max 20 minutes.
And do you simmer that, or is it on like full heat? It's
Full
on full
heat,
heat on
yes.
here, yeah. So just let it
Correct.
soak up all that
Now
juice.
turn on the heat and cover the lid.
And then cook.
Cook.
Voila.
Almost ready.
If you do like our recipes, subscribe to us and hit the bell, and you will be notified when our next videos are coming out. We're going to try and release a video every Wednesday and Sunday, and because we are trying to improve every video we do and change the setup, change the scenario, and we've got thousands of recipes to push out for you guys. So yeah, if you do enjoy the recipes, just subscribe, hit the bell, and we look forward to seeing you on our channel.
After 20 minutes, time to dish. Woohoo! Turn off the heat first. After that, take a little bit. If you have longer spatula, it's very good helper for you.
And they should look juicy inside.
Yeah,
There's a lot of
hold.
juice in there.
Hold from the end parts.
Wow,
And
look at that. Oh my gosh.
slide here.
And just a little tip, guys. If you're going to buy these eggplants, don't buy the huge eggplants. You'll be there forever trying to cook them. Buy the small to medium size eggplants.
Look at this dish. And take leftover parsley.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle on the top.
Oh,
A
can
little
I
bit
lift this up
Rocky
to
or
show?
Uzo with this. Oh,
Oh, and you're
God.
set.
I will be in heaven.
Now, I hope I'm not going to drop this, but there you go. That's how it looks.
Time to taste, Sue.
It's time to taste again.
Always.
Time to taste.
You're my guinea pig.
I'm always the guinea pig.
You taste all the different flavors in there, yeah?
So nice.
Most excited time.
Okay.
Oh my God.
You like
Oh,
it?
oh,
What are you doing?
I am fainted, Sue. I'm fainted.
You're not a priest. You're a chef.
What can I do?
He's crazy. He's. What are you doing?
I'm fainted. So beautiful. You need to try this.
I didn't know he was going to do that. That's just like, what? You're so funny. Honestly.
What are we saying, Sue?
We say,
Have a nice day.
and enjoy your stuffed eggplant.